Hasn't 2020 just been the year that's forced all of us to step out of our comfort zone to develop a new way of working and living? I know it has for me. Normally, I'd be speaking to you on stage. Now, I'm speaking to you virtually. And just like on stage, I've learned I have to make these sessions fun, interactive, and engaging. With the dozens of sessions I've led and the thousands of people I've talked to over the last number of months, I've learned a few things. One, we are each an apprentice to change. We are never its masters. And two, when we change the way we think about change, that's when the magic happens. So let me give you a tip to help you improve the quality of your life. You may have heard the term shift your mindset. Now, mindset can seem like a woo-woo term out there, yet it's actually a collection of neurons in your prefrontal cortex of your brain that fire during the day to help you problem solve and decision make effectively and efficiently. So you want to program those first thing in the morning to fire that way. Let me give you an example. If it's raining outside, do you get up in the morning and go, "Oh, it's a lousy day"? Because if you do, you're programming your brain to be in that lousy headspace as you go throughout the day. Now, if it's raining outside and you get up in the morning and say, "Hey, it's a wet day," you're removing the emotion from your language, thereby programming your brain to be more efficient during the day. It doesn't mean bad things won't happen, because they do. What it does mean is you'll be in a better mindset to handle them, and you will come out a little more successful that day than if you'd gotten up saying it's a lousy day. Now, I'd like to close with a quote from Bianca Andreescu, who's the 4th-rated highest tennis player in the world. And she said this: "Everyone here knows how to play tennis. What separates the best from the rest is mindset." So change how you think about change and watch the magic happen.